What is up, everybody? It's your boy Kevin Smiley, and welcome back to KevLR82 TV, your positive growth culture channel. Today, obviously, as you can see in the title, it's a video you guys been waiting for, a review of the grounding kit by 3.8 Performance. So this review is going to be for the grounding kit for the 3.8. So mine is a 2014 BK2 3.8 V6. Before we get into the actual review, I need to make a disclaimer and a correction on the install video, dude. So let's jump into it and get started, and I'll explain. So what I mean by the disclaimer, I already got the car getting warmed up and everything like that. Let's pop the hood and I'll be able to show you better than I can just tell you. So here's the grounding kit. The grounding kit, as you can see in the install, if you watch the install, the main connector connects to the battery right there. That's the first ground, and that's the main wire, and then it spreads out into the other wires. So we have a connection right here, a connection down below where the intake's at, a connection right here, and a connection right here behind the fuse box. So in the video, me and my boy Christian were doing the install, and one of these right here was bigger than the other ones. And what we did, but what we didn't have to do was actually cut the wire, and we thought we had to fix the kit. No, we didn't need to do that. Apparently, that big one was supposed to fit down here. It was made to fit down here where the intake is at. You can barely see it. Let me get a light real quick. So here's a light. You can see where my intake box is located. Then I can actually point it out. Bam, you see where that's connected, that wire? That's the one where the big one is supposed to fit. Now, we falsely assumed that we needed to cut it because we thought maybe it was just like our kit just had one bigger and it wasn't supposed to. No, that was not true. That is perfectly fine. If you guys have that kit and yours has one of them that's big, it's supposed to fit down there. Let's go ahead and drop this hood and let's get into this review. I'm not gonna tell you that this thing is great and it actually brings some power back by grounding down the wires and everything. I'm gonna show you. It's amazing, guys. This is gonna be a positive review. Obviously, has nothing to do with me being biased to 3.8 Performance. I trust everything that, man, the late great Dustin Davis did when he was first putting this kit together. He told me about everything and why it works and why it adds power, and he tested it himself and said it added power. But we're gonna show you where it adds power. So let's jump into it and get started. All right, you guys, as we start the review, I'm gonna give you guys a POV and explain to you where the power is gonna come on at. Around like 3,500 RPM, partial throttle. The car just wants more. Like myself, I can feel it, partial throttle, and I keep my foot pressed on the throttle the same amount, but then the car picks up more. You know what I mean? Like I have it like partial throttle at 3 grand, and then the car it just feels like it wants more. So I give it a little bit more, and for me, I know that there was a power gain because if you guys watch all of my videos, you guys might have seen that I recently took a power cut when I put my stock mid-pipe back on. And I can feel like the car was a little bit sluggish, but it sounds better. That was the choice. Watch that video if you're not sure what I'm talking about and you haven't seen it. And then I took my car straight to freaking Christian's that day, and we did the install. And I left his place and I'm like, dude, that power that I lost is back, bro. It's nasty. And for me, I feel it in the mid-range, dude. It's a mid-range monster, dude. Like, I feel like I want to do some low-end pulls and races and see. It's like a baby turbo, you know? But yeah, we're gonna give it a couple more pulls and show you what I'm talking about. So yeah. Little tunnel pull. That mid-range, it pulls harder, man. No throttle controller, dude. We're gonna keep the throttle control off in this test just to let you know I'm not cheating and like pressing the throttle controller when I get to like 3 grand or something like that, dude. So let's get on the freeway, a little bit of traffic, but we're gonna get some pulls in. So we pull up next to Possibly one of my next cars, dude. I want to get one of these so bad. Oh my God, in that color too. Look at them making noise. Try to egg him on, see where he's at. He's gonna smoke me if we go, dude. Try to see. You see if he's getting off or whatnot. What is he doing? Let's go. Yeah, I told you. Little extra, little fun in the review. I wasn't even in throttle controller mode. I could have kept up even better. But anyways, so back to review. We had traffic, so we had to slow down, and then we pulled up next at GT350. So a little piece of information for you guys that I found out just now in that last clip is it's not really gonna give you that higher end, like, you know, you're on a 60 or 80 and you punch it, you're not gonna feel it as much as you feel it when you're like street pulls or whatever. You know, from the like 20 to like 60, around there is your money spots or whatever. So just let you know, if you wanted to do some rolls with the homies or whatever, like under 60 is like your money spots, you know what I mean? But yeah, I'm out running errands, so we'll continue the review as I'm driving around the town. Super low. All right, you guys, get some more mid-range pulls. God dang. Woo, let's get a freeway pull, dude. Let me put you in the video. Hey, shout out to you, dog. What's your name, brother?
Jake, thank you.
Yeah, man. Hey, you're gonna be in the video, so say what's up to whoever you. Shout out to your homies, whatever.
Shout out to my basketball league, superstar basketball league. We got a game today.
Okay.
We're gonna win.
There we go, man. Showing people love. All right, for sure, man. Appreciate it, dude. There you have it. Just a random person saw on the road. So let's get back to this review. So we're gonna do a small merge. Let's put it in second gear and show you what I'm talking about. So we're gonna get it up to 3. Give it like partial throttle. That's partial throttle, dude. That's not even full throttle, dude. So this, I'm telling you, it works. And then once you get to the top end, once you get to the higher speeds, you're not gonna feel it as much as the lower. Like when you're on the freeway cruising and you're trying to punch it, it's not that dramatic, but you will feel it on the lower end on the streets, man. All right, so it never gets old. I'm gonna tell you guys, these low end pulls that I do, man. I was like, I'll just be cruising down the street doing the speed limit and just kind of like give it partial throttle. That's partial throttle, you guys. Like just barely even, like not even like touching the floor, bro. I'm telling you, man, if you don't believe me, you got to try it for yourself. I wouldn't just lie to you guys, bro, just to try to get you to buy a product, dude. Like it's so much fun, dude. It's just so much fun. And the attention I get sometimes is funny too, because people will be like, God dang, what the heck is he doing? Like $3 grand, third gear. Oh, shout out to Andy's Tires. See, this guy's in my neighborhood, dude. This guy's down the street from my house, dude. So yeah, you guys want to get right, you want to be able to turn your traction control off, which is what I need to do right now. Yeah, Andy's Tires. Get yourself a pair of Federal RSRRs or RS Pros, and you won't have to worry about spinning in every gear. But yeah, one thing I love about this is one of those street, like just a small mod that you can have fun without even like speeding. Like you're on the street just chilling and you drop it to 30, you just kind of lean into a little bit. You guys, I'm telling you, dude, we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up. Like I said, I'm running errands and whatnot, dude, just cruising around the street. It's one of those lower speed, lower end mods that you guys will not regret. It's gonna add to the power. If you got any other 3.8 performance mods, it's really gonna bring out the extra power that you didn't know that was missing by getting a good ground on all your parts. So let's go ahead and wrap it up. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah. All right, y'all, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I had fun making it, especially when I'm running into random cars in the middle review. Just start to make this review a little bit more entertaining by leaving that clip in there of the GT350 and the cool homie that I met today in the Jeep, dude. I love those Jeep trucks, man. Those are pretty cool, man. So you got a cool car too, man. You know, I love those too. But yeah, hopefully this helped you guys make a decision. If you have not ordered one already, go to 3.8performance.com. I will put the link down below in the description of this video for the link for the grounding kit, dude. But yeah, as you guys can see, that mid-range power, it finds the power that you should have had, and it puts it back in that car. So you guys, man, just go ahead and do it. Check it out. Comment down below if you guys have actually done it and you feel the extra power. Feel free to hit me up on Instagram, KevRD2. You know what it is. Follow all that awesome, great stuff. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button, notification bell, and comment something down below, because comments help the YouTube algorithm. So we're trying to grow to get 4,000, 5,000, and so on. Let's grow. Let's go. You know. So just remember, as I say at the end of all my videos, always see the glass half full, not half empty. Stay blessed, stay safe, and remember, legends live forever. Rest easy, Dustin Davis. Rest easy, my friend. Peace.